Good evening. Thank you, Kaushik, much. So now I will going to present on the benefits of why we need energy storage. What is the need? Sorry. So, as we all know, we are moving very fast. Demand of our energy is increasing day by day. Earlier, we used to have a very rarely air conditioning, but now today, each and every house is having 1 or 2 or 3 ACs. Then we have a demand side increasing on the EV charging substation. A lot of EV cars are coming. They get discharged and they put for charging in the night or afternoon or evening as per the schedule. So these draw more currents. So earlier we used to draw average current of one requirement of household of medium size family is about 1 kilowatt, which has moved to now 5 kilowatt or 10 kilowatts. So making such type of meet such type of requirement of rapid power demand need, we need to build a lot of thermal power plant or nuclear power plant. Building a thermal power plant take minimum 7 years. If you want to build a nuclear plant, it will take 20 years plus. And what about the environment? Second, so today the more important point we are looking at communication-based solution, smart energy management. So these are the three key factors. So BSS act a balance between our demand versus our environment. How we will learn how it's keep balancing between how we can match our demand, all this thing with the meeting, as well as making the number one industrial company, industrial world. So decentralization, how BSS help solution? Decentralization. As I mentioned, if I growing demand, I make a decentralization. I can make a microgrid, enabling a different business model so that my investment will differ for a duration. Decarbonization. Of course, I can put more and more renewable energy sources and plant across the country, but we know these generations are not sometimes matching with our variability in the generation. So BSS act as a support to make a capacity forming. Third thing is digitization. Monitoring, diagnostic, and control. I can manage my demand. I can choose which source I want to use now. I want to understand what is my trend of load. So all these things today we need as soon as we become more smarter in using like a mobile phone or all these things, we can expect our energy should be also smarter. So here we are a solution provider of energy storage with more than 150 megawatt of energy storage product deployed across the world. Various applications. So basically, we have a energy storage solution, EnerCube, plus a energy management software. So and you can see in the top, like we have like a different parameter will come, and all these things will make a different application from industry, a container-based solution in industries and health sector, then residential, industrial and commercial, automobile industry, petrol pump, or in a cold storage application, microgrid application. If I want to establish a power, I was just going through one news in a one hilly station. They are not getting a power even after 75 years of independence. They are getting hardly power of 1 hour in a day. So what to do? Because grid is not available. Grid cannot go into such a hilly station. So our BSS is solution for that type of application. This again a solutions like we do schools, we do in Nasik some poly house, because poly house in the mid of field, there cannot be a farming land, there cannot be any grid, and they need a power for only sunny day because to keep out the temperature, hot air from the fan. So for that they need energy storage. Then this is the application in a Ladakh for microgrid application. This is application in a cold storage. We all know cold storage generally in the C type or D types places where the power availability is hardly very, very poor. So this application, cold storage, we have our product. Then again, we have done in Ladakh. Then is a resort. Resort, they have a power outage of more than 2 hours, 3 hours, because suddenly they are outside city or sometime in a scenic location. So for there, the grid availability is very, very poor. So they have to more depend on the generator. So they are creating more pollution to the environment and noise. For that, this our BSS is working, and the customer is happy. They have no need to depend on the DG for the guest, and their DG has a own disadvantage. Apart from the pollution or apart from the noise, they have to take a lot of poor efficiency. We don't know when my hotel is completely booked, because even my two rooms are booked, I have to start the DG. Whereas in BSS, it will work, it will discharge the battery as per the load condition. So what is application? How a customer can benefit? If you talk about the key requirement is nowadays we are getting in the peak demand and energy shift. What is peak demand? As I mentioned, today RAI is happening. This maybe now I am dying more power because of this exhibition. Tomorrow, maybe I will, this RAI campus, which is at India Expo Center, may have 100 kilowatt, for example. Must be now for 3 days is drawing more power, maybe 150 kilowatt, for example. So now they have to, either they have to go for a larger capacity sanction from the electricity board, then their fixed charges will increase. Similarly, for any industry or anything, they have a peak demand for a shorter duration. For 3 days only, they have a peak demand. From 100 to go to 150. Similarly, industry, for that, BSS will work as for a shorter time, they can pump the power along the grid, so that they should avoid the penalty from the electricity board. Energy shift, or now we have a time of demand tariff. So government has now, as soon as our demand is increasing, the government is putting high peak tariff. If you draw more power in the night, I will charge more than 20%. So tariff is supposed 10 rupees, so they have to pay 12 rupees. So what BSSs do, I will shift my store power, I will charge the BSS either solar, renewable energy sources, or I will charge the BSS in the non-peak hour. When the tariff is low, maybe in the midnight, I will charge my BSS and discharge during peak hour. So this is one of the main application of energy storage to meet the demand, make gap, supply gap. Renewable energy maximization of capacity formation. I already mentioned the solar or wind depend on the nature. Sometimes you have very high solar, maybe sometime cloudy come, maybe we don't know how the weathers are changing in our country or all across the world. So there are fluctuation, large fluctuation in the solar or wind generation. My load is 100, their generation may be in the morning time 50 kilowatts. In afternoon, my generation is 100, but my demand is come down to 80 because during lunch time. So what I do? It go waste. So BSS will save that power in battery. When the capacity become again in the evening time, my requirement is 100, but my generation is 50 kilowatt. So 50 kilowatt, it will do capacity formation. This is another beautiful application of capacity formation of renewable energy. BSS, with renewable energy maximization. Backup, of course, we all know, to save the power during non-peak hours or through solar, and discharge when there is any outage in the grid. So I given an example of resorts. So they have saved huge money by using the BSS. As soon as demand is seen, of course, the grid impact will be there, voltage fluctuation will be there, frequency regulation will be there. So BSS providing active reactive power control and make this so that their power requirement, power smoothing will happen, and they got a quality power. So if you talk about, they have a following control option available for the energy: peak shaving, synchronized charging, I can synchronize the charging, renewable energy integration for smoothing, frequency regulation, voltage control, load shifting like energy shift, time schedule, charge and discharge, or ice leveling. So these are the 4 or 5 applications of energy storage. As a InnerCube, we have, or InnerTech, we have a complete family of our BSS, starting from residential application, 55 kilowatt hour, then up to 200 kilowatt from the medium application, then medium size industry up to 300 kilowatt. Then we have a megawatt solution for the large utility scale or large industry. It has a designed life of 15 years, 5 years warranty come, return on energy is approximately greater than 90%, very high life of 6,000 cycles. Means if I'm discharging battery 1 year, 1 day per day, it will run more than 12 years. IP54 waterproof these containers we are designing, which having a life of 20 plus year. We have a corrosion protection also. If you talk about fire protection, because it's having a high lithium storage, so it needs to have a high protection against the fire and direction. So we have a 3-level protection for firefighting, aerosol, and suppression. So this is the internal. We have a, what is BSS? It's having a bidirectional PCS, battery, energy management sources, and enclosure. So you can see inside, again, view, like we have a firefighting system, PCS, battery system, cooling system, and HVAC system to maintain, because high density batteries are there, very high density, charge density. If you don't maintain the temperature of 25 degree, there is a high possibility of any problem. So it's an all-in-one solution. Give you protection from the all, like it's a safe, reliable, plug and play. It's like a plug and play solution. It's an pre-engineering solution. Like it is like pre-engineering means BSS is not a standard product. It depends on the what type of application you are there. Why you need energy storage? What type of your problem point? Then accordingly, energy storage is defined. Energy efficient, digitally enabled, of course it's there. So again, various applications. If you talk about the commercial segment wise, I can manage your energy cost. BSS can manage energy cost, power continuity during grid outage, improve power quality. In EV infrastructure, of course, BSS will play an important role in the EV infrastructure. Because I don't know when I'll get a 200 car while I get 100 cars in a charging station. Whether I take a 200 kilowatt load sanction or 100 kilowatt. So it's unpredictable currently. Microgrid, remote area, still number of villages or number of area in our country which is getting a very, very few time, like 1 hour power in 3-4 days. So this is one application. Renewable maximization, I already explained to you. Transmission and distribution. So low transmission, making it smoothing, keeping power, capacity forming, back capacity. If Greater Noida now demand is increased, so for that they need a transmission company has to pump more power. For that energy storage is used. So as mentioned, sorry. So it's a like weatherproof our container is there. So it maintain a temperature of 3 degree, difference is 3 degree. We have a 3-level fire protection detecting, how to detect whether any temperature is increasing in the cell. Reduction, that is called a reduction. Then firefighting system, we have a dry powder aerosol inside there. Pressure release for suppression. If battery will pressure release the pressure and will disconnect the cells. So these are the explanation of what is precaution, suppression, and pressure release. So we are using a world-renowned battery manufacturer batteries in our energy storage, which is having high energy density, very high life cycles, high security, and intelligent, and very high temperature control. So energy storage is a dump storage. Until it is not integrated with a energy management system or intelligent operating software. So otherwise, it's like a dump. He will not know when to charge, when to discharge. So this is an application. You have different inputs you can give. I just indicated it can be any type of application. Then we have any type of load here. So energy storage, my local controller will control this side, input side, inside the container, taking the data of batteries, power conditioning unit, HVAC, fire safety system will go here and control. Then load side, what is my load demand? Accordingly, it will use the source. So this is, and it gives you desired peak shaving, PF correction, or energy shift, off shift, all this application. Who will do it? This is the top person. Otherwise, if you don't have this, it's a dumb hardware. It's like a simple inverter what we are using around 5 or 6 years back in our household. Jab power chala gaya, then it will start. So basically, if you talk about, there are two type of BSS configuration, which is called DC coupled, which is used mainly in a small commercial application or residential application, where the solar plant or wind plant directly integrated with the inverter. It may be in the container or it may be outside the container, and it will give power to the grid, and it will be controlled through EMS. And various applications, of course, is a mid-size application it will use, like a small EV charging station or residential or commercial application. It will take the power from the solar and give to the load. Excess power it will store to the battery and do all this function. This is AC coupled system, configuration of the AC coupled system, where our solar generation, BSS, everything will be integrated with the common AC bus. That's why we call it AC bus system. And that our EMS will manage the input, will wash on the grid, on the generation part of the solar or wind, anything source, and the load side, and our BMS, our container. So this is called AC coupled system because we are coupling all the things in a AC couple on the bus itself. Just quickly on the solution. So it is our residential solution for 5 kilowatt hour. A very good aesthetics. We are displaying in our stall too also. You can see and watch. So for a small house, a small showroom, we can use this product. It's having a plug and play solution integrated with it having inbuilt MPPT. You can connect 6 kilowatt solar plant and give power to the load. Off-grid operation capability with solar. High safe use parity. You can set the parity. What is my parity? I want to use for solar or grid or battery. You can set the parity. Then it is a for median application. It's a managing all this type of function, your demand charge, energy independence with or without. It can be with or without solar also. It's not just mandatory. Then you have a solar panel. It can do a peak load shedding, full backup power plant, a small footprint, ready. So you can see it's like a application, various applications can use. Ready to shift anywhere. It's a very like you can take and keep. Very high life cycle of battery we are using. We have a plug and play type solution. Then this is our megawatt solution. Pre-engineering already we explained. So basically it's a modular solution. You can move from few kilowatt to megawatts hour solution. Application suited. It's very important as a BSS manufacturer we should understand what is your need. Engineering for long life, we can do an engineering for long life. Inbuilt thermal management is there. Multi-hub level of fire protection as I explained to you in my previous slides. So as a BSS manufacturer or integrator, our approach is always to analyze the use case and needs of the customer. What is the application, as I mentioned earlier? Then setting the technical and financial parameter, determine the right sizing and confident to the customer need. This is a very important part of BSS design. So I cannot give what solution, and we need to understand what is your need. We do turnkey execution, fully integrated at our Pune facility. We do shipping and installation post-acceptance testing. We do FAT at our factory, and we do SAT, site acceptance test at the customer site. And dispatch strategy to maximize the value. We maximize how to maximize your energy because we are using energy management system, which maximize your generation, which maximize your savings. Real-time remote and monitoring data driven. So you can real-time monitoring what is happening to my system, what is my generation. Currently, we don't know. But when you install a BSS or with a AMS, you know what is happening. You can maintain your warranty. You can know how many cycles I have used. What is my cycle? Why I am consuming more cycles? What is happening inside the battery? What is the temperature? Whether HVAC is running or not running during charging this. All this can be happen, sir, through EMS. So thank you. We are here, and we have a contact detail here. Our company. We have a websites. Both me and Kaushik also available in our stall is there, hall number 14. So we request you kindly visit us. Thank you very much. We are using one of the world India best battery. Now Getson India, we are collaborating for collaboration for the battery. Thank you very much.